Finding the right drayage load board can make all the difference in your freight dispatching career. Meet the top platforms that help dispatchers like you secure the best drayage loads. First up, DAT, a giant in freight load boards with specialized filters just for drayage. Then there's truckstop.com. It offers real-time updates, so you never miss out on port and rail drayage loads. Looking for a platform focused solely on port-related loads? Drayage.com has got you covered. Port Pro steps in to match dispatchers with port and intermodal loads effortlessly. And don't forget LoadMatch, ideal for finding available container loads. These platforms are essential tools to streamline your dispatching process and boost your efficiency. Stay ahead of the curve and turn these resources into career opportunities. Join Dispatch Training Center. Elevate your dispatching success.